Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have accounts and instances. Now begin. First, open the EC2 console and navigate to Load Balancers. Create a target group, choose Protocol and Port, register your EC2 instances, and set Health Check Path. Make sure Health Check settings match your application endpoint so checks pass. Once done, proceed to create the load balancer type you need. Application for HTTP/HTTPS or network for TCP. This starts the routing layer you'll configure next. You're in the creation flow, choose application or network load balancer and pick internet-facing or internal. Assign VPC and subnets across availability zones for redundancy. Add listeners. Set HTTP/HTTPS port and forward rules to the target group you created. If HTTPS, attach an SSL certificate from ACM. Make sure the certificate matches your domain. Configure security groups to allow the load balancer ports and allow backend. You've created the load balancer. Now validate. Hit the DNS name in a browser or curl the endpoint to confirm responses. Check the target group. Targets should show healthy. If not, inspect Health Check Path, security groups, and instance app logs. Make sure connection draining and idle timeout match your app behavior so requests finish gracefully. If problems persist, enable access logs and Cloud Watch metrics to find 4xx/5xx spikes. These logs quickly reveal misconfigurations or SSL issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.